All right, you two, we got something in the mail. Let's see what we got. This is from Cigars Daily. Household name in this place. Yeah, exactly. Ooh, we got some Desert Walker. Hey, kid. So we got in Robusto a 5-pack of Desert Walker. And then we got some Diema Videla. This is a cigar, American Viking cigar by Cigars Daily. We got a 5-pack of those. And they're actually, that's a really good cigar. Very good cigar. Never tried the Desert Walker yet, but we are going to find out what it's like. And then we also got some Fuente. We got some Hemingway Classic V. We got 2 of those. They look like Perfectos, maybe. And we have a vintage age 12 Perdomo. Perdomo 12-year Robusto. We got 2 of those. And then we have a Liga Zebra, which is also an American Viking cigar by Cigars Daily. It's got the barber pole wrapper. We got 2 of those. And then this is also another American Viking by Cigars Daily. I think it's one of the first ones he did. Obrigado. First edition. Well, there you go. First edition. And, like always, I'm sure I murdered the fuck out of a lot of these names. But that's what I do. Anyway. That's that. That was a nice little milk call. Got some nice little Fuentes, some Perdomo, and some American Viking cigars by Cigars Daily. Same with the Desert Walker. That's a Cigars Daily. All these. This whole bag, the Desert Walker and the Dharma are all a collab with Cigars Daily. The Dharma is actually an American Viking, and the Desert Walker is between him and Diesel. So thank you. Thank you, Cigars Daily. Until next time, try different sticks and always keep it smoky.